Hi, welcome friends. Let's get right to it. We're going to be making some monoprints with a potato, also known as potato prints. I used a sculpture kit, a clay sculpture kit. You can get at Hobby Lobby for, $12 to $15. And you can use a knife. You'll need a small image, scissors, paper, paint, and potatoes. So let's dig in. So go ahead and cut your image. I used a printer to print my image to the size of my potato, so just be aware of how large you're printing your image. Now that you have your image, go ahead and lie it down onto the potato. And I used one of the etching tools that I have. It's very pointed, and I'm going to use it to etch around the image. You want to take your time doing this so that you get all the details etched out so you'll know where to go in and start carving. Remove the image and start carving in deeper. Using a Felty knife, I carve out around the image and try not to go under it at all. What I like about this toolkit is that there's so many tools that can pull back on the potato, which, is used for clay really. They're loop tools and they can really get in there and you don't have to necessarily use a knife. So here's my image. I exposed it and it's ready for stamping. There's many ways to apply paint to the potato to make these prints, but for the lack of time and space, I'm using a brush and I just apply it to the potato. And because it goes on a little thick, I kind of stamp onto the side of the paper before I begin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The sky is the limit. You can print on cards, you can make your own artwork. Patterns are just beautiful in a home, and so is color. You can also print on tea towels and pillowcases. Like I said, the sky is the limit, and it's so much fun. You must try it. I hope this brings you some Christmas cheer. Here's the day of the blog and what I was able to accomplish, and here it is framed. I think it's a beautiful pattern to add to your home. And even if you painted a portrait, I think that is beautiful too. Well, I hope you enjoy, friends, and you can find this works available in my shop at Mary Felty Artwork. And here's another stamp that I carved out. It's a parrot, and I didn't like so much the last bird that I showed you, so I wanted to show you this other stamp that I made with a different silhouette. And I like this one much better, but it's all your choice. I used a printer to print out my images really small, enough to fit my small potatoes. My bag was really small. And I hope that this will bring you some cheer, some joy this Christmas. I wanted to share and give back to you. You can also make artwork, cards. The sky's the limit. I hope you have fun. It's very relaxing to sit and stamp. There's so many uses. You can print on tea towels and pillowcases. Like I said, the sky's the limit. Thanks for being here.